Fish on!
It's Saturday morning for me. I don't know what time you're watching this video, but Jam Houston welcoming you back to this channel, to your channel, to our channel. Alright, peeps, I am heading out to favorite spot. Yeah, let's hope that I have some action coming up for you guys. And I am pretty sure if the water is good, I'm going to get the action for you. If the water not good, may I find the action somewhere else for you guys. You know, so may I come with something for you that you can sit down and relax and enjoy. Alright, peeps, I leave out of the house now and it's about after 3:30 right now, going 4 o'clock a.m. Yes, outside dark, guys. So may I grab some gears and things like this now and head on out. Yeah, man. So don't stay behind, you know. Come along with me, alright? Catch you on the road and most likely at the bait shop. Alright, people? Jam Houston heading out. George, I run solo today and me one and God to the people. Yeah, so come people, come see what I go on here. Yeah, peeps, I have most of my stuff in the truck back already. Just have them rods here to put in. And then we're gonna hit the road, guys. Yes. Kind, righteous and eternal Father, again we come to you, dear God, asking you for mercies. Dear God, we give you thanks for life, for health, for strength. And dear God, at this moment, I am asking you, dear God, as you see that I am venturing out, dear God, on this adventure. I am asking you, dear God, to guide and protect me. You see that I am running solo today. I am alone today, dear God. Be my company, be my guide. Take me out and back in safely, dear God. These mercies I ask through your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen. Yep, train crossing. If I was to video, because when we drive on other peeps, probably look like about half of the train gone already. I see this. Adjust the end of that right now, so we have to move again, you know, guys. See that? Gate I go lift up, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Road we say, people. Road we say. Road we say. What you mean? Yeah, man. Green light. Green light. Green light for George this morning. No red light thing, you know? Green light. Road we had it. Yes, peeps. I'm at the bait shop, as you can see, and see our good friend here. you see, she say hi, she's busy. So I'm getting 2 quarts of bait today, guys. Yeah, man, we're heading to the water and we're working solo to the people. You know, she asked me, you're alone today? And I said yes. So, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to get full entertainment, guys. Full package, right? All right, stay tuned. Yes, guys, I finally reached my destination, but people, you can't see out there. Honestly, you can't see out there. It's dark, right? So, and right now it's after 5 going 6 o'clock. Still dark. Yes, guys. So, still gonna set up my line and see if I can make an early catch, right? But it's pretty dark right now, guys, and it's like me leave everything. Sharon and cuss me now. But I don't cuss me now because she go say, you forget, you always I forget everything. You always I forget everything. People see that. Believe me, light. The light on my wear on my head there so. And believe the other light. Me have so much lights. Right? I believe almost everything guys. But there's some light anyway. So you will soon see some action here. I'll set up my line them and I'll see if we can set 2 lines in the water right now. People, the water the right out there so, but you can't see it. Right? The water the right that's where you can't see it. So right out there's the water there. But people may go try. I rig up my thing man. My little lighter come from the truck, you know. See that's so from the back of the truck. Right? That come from the back of the truck. So that's why you can't be able to see me right now. Enough action coming, alright? It's Jam Houston Adventures and I am out here alone. Here, me here fish have flip up in the water, you know? Yeah man. I'm out here without fear guys. Yeah man, and right down the stretch I don't see nobody, no vehicle or anything, but I know say later on some vehicle will come in. But for now, the little light you see in the background over there so I refinery. Yeah man, I see some ripple going in the water, you know, so fish out there. But you can't see it, but I see it right now. They could clear from the water, I see the fish them out there. Water kind of gone out a little bit, guys. But life out there. So we're going to try to see if we can get some of the life out there here. Alright, stay tuned. Looking much better now, eh? And people, the sun not rise yet still, you know. The sun is not up yet, but as you can see across there, right, look out there peeps. The mosquito them plentiful. See the sun not come up yet guys, but it is not far away from rising. Right, as you can see right across out there, you know. Yeah man, see there. But guys, we're getting a little bit of visibility right now. And peeps, I want to show you this. Look at that. Look at that guys. Tide is out, right? And at this moment I think it is at a stable level. It's not going out right now because I checked the edge. There's something that I use as markers right at the edge of the water to see if the tide is coming in or it is going out. At this moment it just a one spot people. The water just sit down flat, but we see little movements out there. And as you know, this place guys, even when the water is low, when the tide is out, you still will make good catch here. So I got 3 lines out there. Yeah, 3 lines in the water guys, as you can see. Yeah man, and some new bait, bait container I'm gonna buy people. I use it up. We have 4 rod holders, one this or one this, and you put the aerator right in the middle over here, so you can put another aerator here and you have 2 more rod holders right here. So it's kind of cool. I like it, you know. So it kind of take over from the bait buckets, but I still now give it the old for the new still. But for now I'm gonna go and use the container. But see there guys, yeah, it's clearing up and I'm going to watch the water to see if it is the tide is coming in or it is going out later on. But as soon as we make a hookup guys, yeah man, it's Jam Houston in the house. Yes, in the house. No man, the Jam Houston out at door man. We're outside people. It's clear that we're here. Yeah man. So stay tuned for our hookup. Alright, I leave my flashlight, I leave my light them, and I leave my net people. And if you look out there, mud. Look on the amount of mud out there people. And the water out. So that means if my hook a fish, I have to drag him through the mud. And if him that big, I don't know how I'm going to do it. But whichever way I'm going to do it, if I have a mud up one fish we carry me in, I'm going to get mud up, right? But right now guys, we just wait. Try to figure out how I'm going to land one fish right now because the water, the edge of the bank, they are pure mud. How am I going to do it? I don't know. But you know we see it. Yes guys, fish on, fish on. first one, guys. Yeah, something is on it, guys. I don't know what yet, but this is the first one, guys. Let me see what we got here. And for sure it is a croaker. But people, look at the mud. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the mud. It's a nice croaker, but look at the mud. You can hardly make out the fish. My gosh, I have to go wash him. I have to bathe him. So it's a nice croaker, guys. Pure mud. But guess what? The good thing, you know, people, is that the tide is coming in. Yeah, that's a good sign. The tide is coming in. So all the mud that you see out here, it soon cover. So when we catch a fish, you can pull him to the bank right here. So we don't have to have them looking like this. You understand? But this is a nice croaker. So I wash him off and put him away. You know, it's the first catch too. And good thing, it's a keeper. Alright? Stay tuned, people. Now no shell on it. Them take it quick. So I like this now. This now no shell. So this now, going for some croaker for this one. Alright? Alright guys, I think I have one now. Don't know what it is, but something is on. Yeah, peeps. Alright. Here we go. Alright, people. Man, I fight so hard for you from morning. Eh? Definitely a keeper, guys. But from morning, you know how long me I wait for you? Eh? Look how long me waiting on you. And you take so long to pick up my hook. Man, may I tell you, I'm really bleach. Anyway, I'm going to clean you up. Definitely going to clean you up. And this one look like it's about 18 to 19 inches. Definitely a keeper, guys. Black drum. Man, I've never. Patience is really a virtue, guys. Patience. Without patience, you can't. Nobody you go fishing. Cause guys, at 2 times we get gar get it from me. Catch one little croaker this morning and cut him up and set a gar line. And see, we just score. Just score, people. See me in dirty and look how you can see there. It's about 18 to 19 inches. And it's a keeper, it's a black drum. Alright guys, fish on. Yes, peeps, so I start take off in plastic jacket from early, you know. I'm going to put him on the grill, you know. So, for the only one, which I hope not, I'll make the best height, you know. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, it's a nice black drum, you know. I like when they're bigger than this, you know, peeps. It's a the size, I like them. I'm watching that in the meanwhile. Fish on, guys, fish on, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on, peeps. Another keeper, guys. Black drum, people. See there? Yes. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. See there, guys? Yeah, man. Lovely. It's about 16, 17, right? 14 is keeper. Black drum. Alright, guys. So, second one, guys. Never give up, people. The struggle is on. Water condition not too good. But see there? Yes. Yeah, man. Alright. So, score second one. See him the peoples. Yes, say hi. Yes, guys. Gar. Gar online, guys. Yes, people. Set the line for him. Finally hold him. Gar, people. Yeah. Yes. Your backside, yo. Yes. You know me not gonna hold him, brother. You know me not gonna hold him, People, me know me not gonna hold him, Yes. And from morning, you give me a warm time. You. From morning, you give me a warm time. I know say time longer than rope. See it there. Yeah, man. Now me have you to go clean up. We'll take off your hard plastic jacket off of you. See him there, people. From morning, he give me a warm time. I hold him. Yeah, man. See him there. Yeah, man. People, me tell you, say patience. If you don't have patience, you can't fish. See him there, guys. Yeah, man. People are me one there. Yeah, man. Me hold him, people. See me? Yeah, man. You know me not gonna catch you. Set the line for you. A 4 times. You're not gonna bite me, You're not gonna bite me. You're not gonna bite me. You're not gonna bite me. People, a 4 times he take up the line. And every time I make after him, he flash out the hook out time out. See me now, me land him. Yeah, man. Me land you. Yes, Mr. Gar. Yeah, man. You dep on land now, See there. What you can do now? You better than me out in the water, but beat me so now. Me and you. Catching people. Me now, yo, I have some sharp teeth in my mouth, guys. Serious, Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Junior, I say, I kick at me. I kick at me. You get knocked. Yeah, man. You get knocked. So, turn the beard in the dot. You get knocked. Long time you didn't get knocked from morning. I give you trouble from morning. 4 times you take up my line and flash you out. See him there, people. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm going to set back my line them, I set back my line them. The 1 crow come catch this morning. See there? Get a gar all time. Yeah, man. Yes, people, see him there. The 1 crow come catch this morning. I say, I don't know if I go and get anything else. But me, see there? Get a gar out of him. Yeah, man. Can't share up this now. But I can't get piece of gar. Cook up. Tomorrow for our Sunday dinner. Big up Butter. Yeah, man. Colonel, the Colonel. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Edo. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up everybody else. Junior. Lifestyle of fishing. Yeah, man. Jamaica Vibes Adventure. Jerry. Big up yourself, man. That's Jamaica Shore Fishing. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Mr. Chronicles. Yeah, man. Winstone himself. Big up yourself. Donald, big up. Yeah, man. Why? Me a whole for people for big up, but you know, we sound wait for a roll call, yeah, so. But I try to see if I can hook up 2 more, yeah? Alright, see him there. When me I clean him up, take him out of a hard plastic jacket, you know, we see here. Yeah, man. Gar. I removed the head, you know, but I didn't want to do that on camera, right? So now I'm going to see if I can wash off them little red substance here, you know, and clean him up first. You can get off most of them more than dirt, yeah. Tired me out, you know. Tired me out, but me I get here, people. Watch out. I clean him up and then I go back and see if we can catch 2 more fish. Yeah, before me head off home. I get some more and do it piece of meat, peeps. I want to curry it. I want to use some of that mama's curry the way Edo sent to Donald. But Donald sent to me. I want curry gar. Yes. People, look at that. See him closer, peeps. In big old thick plastic coat come off. Look at that, guys. Yep. So I go get out the organs now and then finish. Dissect him now, people. See the plastic jacket over there, so alright. Gar meat, yes, people, see me? Gar meat, yeah. Nice. there. Lovely. Yeah, man. Nice, pretty gar meat, people. See there? So they look like goat, like a mutton. Ah, curry go and walk with him a little more. See the peeps? Yeah, man. All right, guys. So I get a one chop. Meat a jump, see me, you know, guys. Head gone. All right. Now, cooler. See? Fish gasket. Plan for him this morning and I get him, people. See there? All right. So then I know I go back to turn fish food. Send all of this back out if we make fish eat, you know. So the food chain going up, people. Yeah, man. Fish on, fish on. Might not be a big one, but we have something here. Oh my word. Babes, I know it wasn't a big one, but this is a baby. And baby got to go back to mommy's titty, right? When you go back down there, don't tell them what is happening up here, yeah? Or else if you come back on my hook, I'm going to punish you, right? For talking, right? Don't tell them what is going on up here, right? You hear me say? What you say? Okay, all right. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, babe. Alright, guys. See? Another black drum. But this one, I'm going to put some measurement to it. Because them look a bit small, you know. But we see what I want, you know. Too small, then we put it back, it's a release, you understand? But if it's the right size, then it's a keeper. All right, fish on, guys, fish on. Big one, people, big one. Fish on. I want to take up the line like our big red. Fish on, guys. If this one is a red, peeps, then it's gonna be the first red for the day. But yeah, the one that fight me, guys. Oh, peeps, it's a black drum. Nice size black drum, guys. Yes. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, lovely. And this one is about 20-21 inches. Beautiful, guys. I don't like them much bigger than this, you know. This is a beautiful, a lovely catch. See the people. All right. See if we can quiet him down a little bit. Can pose with the camera. Alright, spit out that. Don't need that no more. Press that right there, so. Show off yourself now. Show off yourself to people now. See the world. Beautiful! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Alright, guys. See there? Yes. Now try to hide behind him. You don't see me? You don't see me now? You don't see me now? You don't see me now? Yes, people, see there. Beautiful catch, guys. Yeah. Lovely keeper. So, we soon wrap up, you know, peeps. But right now, we still work it right to the end of it. You understand me? Remember we hold a gar. Yes, man. You might chill in the cooler. Want some ice. You might chill out. Yes. But see that, guys. Yeah, man. Nice catch. Guys, catch another little croaker. This is a perfect gar bait. I wonder if me have enough strength to fight another gar for the rest of the day. Anyway, people, me go pin him up. Yeah man, I go send him out there, you know. Me down back room, find nothing. Yeah man. I pin him up, see him there? Yeah, I mean I go put one shrimp pan down here, so you know, variety. Yeah man, sweeten him up. And send him out there, yeah? Stay tuned guys. Right. One more garbage gone out the people. Tell them powder house about. One another one hook up. Fish on. Fish on guys. Fish on. Yes, people, another keeper. Another keeper, guys. Black drum. Look at that. Yes. Yes. George, one out there, people. What may I do it same way? Yeah. George is here, people. Look at that. Lovely keeper. Look at that, guys. Lovely fish. Yes. Lovely keeper. Yeah, we're doing it, peeps. Alright. So I think I got 3 black drum now. So me reach my limit on black drums. I don't want no more black drum on my line. I have 3 nice black drums, 3 keepers. Alright guys. See him there. See him there. Alright, stay tuned. No sir, not me, not me. I have nothing to do with this type of fish. Catfish, no, no way. Me not like them. Okay my beautiful peeps, I am showing you the catch of the day. That is it. So guys, I happen to catch more black drum than what I have here, but I had to put them back. I had to release them because I'm only limited to 3, right? And we have to stick by laws, right? We have to stick by rules and regulation, you understand? We're afraid of trouble. Anyway guys, 1, 2, 3 black drum, and that is half and half make one whole, right? That is a gar, guys. Yeah man, it's a guy George, yeah man. And I did it today guys, all for you, right? Travel over 300 odd miles to come to this location all the time just to do a nice video, because you know when you come here, no matter how the water condition is, you know, we always get lucky here. You understand? We look a lucky spot. Yeah. So alright, so we're about to pack up. Yeah man. So guys, this is what I want to let you know. I plan to give you a catch and cook today, but you know I'm a one out here, you know. I'm a one out here, I do it. So you know, and it kind of run a little bit late right now. I have a long journey ahead of me to reach home. So we're going to do the cook up on my next video. I promise you. Alright? And guys, see what I'm going to give you the cook up on here. Right? The gar. I'll give you a curry. Right? Go and give curry gar. right? So stay tuned. Look out for the one there when we drop it. Understand? Going to be an epic one. We're going to do it over Auntie Butter yard in our kitchen and get her a whole heap of trouble. Yes. Yeah, man. She need to get trouble, man. Me have to give her trouble. Yeah, man. Because she give me enough trouble when she ready. You understand that? Butter. Yeah, man. So, peeps, we're going to do the cook up over Butter yard. And that is a gar meat, right? Look on your pretty people. You can imagine we cut up that and curry it. Jesus. Me know I'm going to want some. But anyway, peeps, we are pack up now. We hit the road. And we say thank you again for the support. Thank you all for the, you know, the strength that you've been giving us. Right, guys? Yeah, man. It's Jam Houston again. Jam Houston Adventures. See it there? See it there? Jam Houston Adventures. Yeah, peeps. And for all who want them cap, branded Jam Houston Adventures, talk to me. Yeah, man. Just check out the comments. Go down in the comments and say, listen, man, I need my cap. I want to left on the contacts so we can know how to get it to you. You understand? Yeah, man. It's all about the love and the unity and the strength. You understand? And we are going to say, we're out until next time. Yeah? Big up everybody. All of my viewers them, all of my YouTuber friends them, all of my family them, close family and friends. Big up everybody. Right? Until next time, guys. Jam Houston Adventures. Peace out. Until next time. Bless.